Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 3 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF plus FS with a 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail is a high-performance, precision cutting system designed for serious woodworkers, contractors, and cabinet makers. Renowned for its accuracy, power, and safety features, the TS55 FEQF offers unmatched versatility for a wide range of cutting tasks, including rip cuts, cross cuts, plunge cuts, and even bevel cuts in wood, sheet goods, and composites. At the heart of the TS55 FEQF is a powerful 1,200-watt motor with variable speed control, allowing users to tailor the cutting speed to match the material for cleaner results and longer blade life. The saw's fast-fix system makes blade changes quick and easy, while the micro-adjustable depth stop allows for incredibly precise cuts down to a fraction of a millimeter. One of the standout features is the included 55-inch, 1,400mm FS guide rail, which ensures straight, splinter-free cuts every time. The track saw glides smoothly along the rail, and the combination of anti-splinter edges and the riving knife minimizes tear-out and kickback, improving safety and workpiece quality. The TS55 also supports bevel cuts from -1 degree to 47 degrees, adding flexibility for trim work and angle joints. Its flat housing design lets you cut within half an inch of walls or adjacent surfaces, making it ideal for tight spaces. The dust extraction port is compatible with Festool vacuums for near dustless operation, keeping your workspace clean and improving visibility. Compact yet powerful, the Festool TS55 FEQF plus FS is built for durability, precision, and efficiency. Whether you're working on job sites or in a workshop, this track saw system delivers professional-grade results with every cut. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile and powerful cutting tool designed for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. This kit includes a 7¼ TCT, tungsten carbide-tipped, blade, allowing you to cut through a variety of materials with ease: wood, plastic, metal, and more. What sets the saw apart is its multi-material cutting technology, which eliminates the need to switch blades when working with different substances. One of the standout features of the R185 CCSX is its 40-inch track, which ensures accurate, straight-line cuts every time. This track system greatly enhances stability and control, especially during long cuts, making it ideal for cutting large sheets or performing plunge cuts. The saw is also compatible with additional track extensions, sold separately, for even longer cutting needs. With a 15-amp motor, this circular saw delivers reliable power for demanding tasks. The adjustable depth and bevel settings allow for cuts up to 2½ inches deep at 90 degrees and 1¾ inches at 45 degrees, providing excellent flexibility for a variety of projects. A clear, front-mounted viewing window and channel edge guide help improve visibility and precision. Built for safety and ease of use, the saw features a soft grip handle, dust port adapter for cleaner workspaces, and electric brake for quick blade stoppage. Despite its solid build, it remains portable and user-friendly. Whether you're cutting lumber, metal pipe, or plastic sheets, the Evolution R185 CCSX is a dependable tool for making smooth, accurate cuts across multiple materials. With its included track, TCT blade, and powerful motor, it offers excellent value and performance for users seeking a high-quality circular saw with advanced features. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a versatile and precise tool ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for high-quality performance in their cutting tasks. Designed for cutting wood, plywood, MDF, and other materials, this saw offers precision and smooth operation, thanks to its plunge mechanism. The saw is equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor that delivers consistent cutting performance, while its variable speed control allows for adjustments between 2,000 and 5,200 RPM to match different materials and cutting conditions. One of the standout features of the SP6000J1 kit is its 55-inch guide rail, which ensures straight, accurate cuts along the material. The guide rail is easy to set up and provides excellent stability, enhancing the overall cutting experience. Whether you are making rip cuts or crosscuts, the guide rail helps eliminate the risk of wandering, ensuring a clean and professional result every time. The saw also has a rubberized handle that provides a comfortable and ergonomic grip for extended use. This kit comes with a stackable tool case, which makes transporting and storing the saw and its accessories convenient and secure. The case is durable and helps keep the tool organized, preventing damage during transport. The saw's dust extraction port also helps keep your workspace clean by connecting to a vacuum for effective dust removal. In addition to its exceptional performance, the Makita SP6000J1 is designed for user safety with features like the electric brake for quick stopping and an easy-to-operate depth adjustment lever. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this plunge saw kit provides the precision, convenience, and reliability needed to tackle a wide range of cutting applications.